Part 13, exercise 2.3. Question number 4. The table given below shows the result of the matches played by 8 teams in a Kabaddi Championship tournament. So, what is the problem given here? So, the table is given. In the tables, it gives the details about 8 teams which are played in the Kabaddi Championship tournament. So, what are the details given here is the total matches that each team played, as well as how many matches they won and how many matches they lost, that is given. Some teams they didn't give the matches won, or sometimes they didn't give the matches lost, or sometimes how many matches they played they didn't give. We have to find. So how can we find? First, in team 8, the total matches played is 8 and matches won is 5 and matches lost, it is not given. Instead of that, they are given the variable k. For that variable k, we have to find the values. How can you find the values? So they ask you to find the matches lost. The total matches played, that is given as 8, and matches won is given as 5. We have to find the matches lost. That is 8 minus 5, that is 3. So the total matches lost is 3. So k equal to 3. So for the team B, so how many matches they played? They played 7 matches. Out of 7 matches, they won is 6 matches. Then how many matches they lost? That means we have to subtract 7 minus 6. So that is 1. So M equal to 1. Next, for team C, they didn't give the total matches played, but they give the matches won as well as the matches lost. That means you have to add matches won and lost. Then you will get the total matches played. So that is 6 plus 4. The answer is 10. So the N value is 10. For the team D, so again here also they didn't give the total matches played. Instead of that, they give the total matches won as well as the lost. So you have to add the won plus lost, that is 7 plus 2. So you will get the answer 9. So A value is 9. Then for the team G, they give the total matches played as well as the matches lost. But they didn't give the matches won. That means you have to subtract. So 9 minus 3, you will get the matches won, that is B value. So B value equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6. Then for F, team F, they give the total matches played, that is 10, and matches won is 6. So we have to find the matches lost. What we have to do? We have to subtract 10 minus 6. So 10 minus 6 is a 4. So C value is 4. Next one is for team G, they give the total matches played as a 8 and matches lost as a 4. They ask you to find the matches won. So that means you have to subtract 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is a 4. So X value is 4. So the last team, that is the H team, for that they didn't give the total matches played. They give the matches won as well as the matches lost. That means you have to add won plus lost, that is 6 plus 3. That is you will get the Y value, that is 9. So Y equal to 9. Next one is question number 5. Gopal is 8 years younger to Karnan. If the sum of their age is 30, how old is Karnan? So what is the problem given here? There is two person, one is Karnan and another one is Gopal. So they didn't give the age of Karnan, but they give the age of Gopal as 8 years younger to Karnan. And one more condition is given here. The sum of their age is 30. Using this condition, we have to find the age of Karnan. So how can we find? So we don't know the age of Karnan. So we took the age of Karnan as X. Next, we have to write the age of Gopal. For writing the age of Gopal, it is given just 8 years younger to Karnan. So younger means you have to subtract. So less than. So you X minus 8. So Karnan age minus how many age Gopal is lesser? 8 years. So X minus 8. Then the condition given here is the sum of their age is 30. So whose age you have to add? You have to add the age of Karnan plus age of Kobal. So what is the age of Karnan? We don't know, that is taken as x. So x plus age of Kobal is an x minus 8. So x minus 8 equal to, so what the value given here? It is 30. So x plus x, that is 2x minus 8 equal to 30. So 2x equal to, so in LHS we are having minus 8. When it is come to the RHS, it will become plus 8. So 30 plus 8, 38. So 2x equal to 38. In LHS we are having 2x. When it is come to the RHS, it will become division, that is 38 divided by 2. So when we cut 2 under 38, you get the answer as 19. So x equal to 19. So what is the Karnan age? Karnan age is 19 years. Next one is question number 6. The rectangles made of identical square blocks with varying length but having only 2 square blocks as width are given below. So what is the problem given here? There is different rectangular boxes given. These different rectangular boxes are divided with the identical square blocks. And one condition is given here. The length of the rectangular box are differ so that it is divided with different square blocks. But the width of the rectangular box are same, so it can be divided by 2 square blocks. So using these conditions, we have to solve the two problems. So one is how many small size squares are there in each of the rectangles P, Q, R and S. So first, what is the first question? We have to find how many small square blocks are presented in each of the rectangles. So for first one, what is the length of the rectangle box here? Here the length is the 1 and breadth it having the 2 square blocks. So you have to multiply 1 into 2. So that is 1 into 2 is 2. So P, the rectangle box P having the number of square is 2. Then for the rectangle Q, the length is divided into how many square blocks? It is divided into 4 square blocks and the breadth is divided into 2 square blocks. So you have to multiply length into breadth. So 4 into 8. So for the rectangle Q, it is divided into 8 square blocks. Then for the rectangle R, the length is divided into 3 square blocks and the breadth is divided into 2 square blocks. So 2 into 3, that is 6. So the R value is 6. That is the rectangle R is divided into 6 square blocks. Then rectangle S. So the rectangle S contains the length. How many square blocks? It is having the 5 square blocks and breadth it contains the 2 square blocks. So you have to multiply 5 into 2 is 10. So the rectangle box S contains the 10 square blocks. So what is the next question? So fill in the boxes. So a table is given. In that table some values are missed. You have to find the missed values. So for the rectangle P. So the number of small size square along the breadth. So in breadth how many squares are there? It is 2. Number of squares along the length. So along the length how many squares are there? 1. So total number of squares in the rectangles. So that means you have to multiply length into breadth. So 2 into 1, the answer is 2. For the rectangle box Q, it total number of squares along the breadth it contains 2 and the total number of squares along the length it contains 4 and the total number of squares in rectangle is 8. So the 3 values are given in the Q rectangle. For the rectangle R, the number of small size square along the breadth it is not given. So for the rectangle R, how many squares are presented in the breadth? It is presented as a 2. So the R value is 2. Then number of squares along the length, that is given as 3. Then number of squares in a rectangle, that means you have to multiply number of squares in the breadth and the number of squares in the length. So that is 2 into 3. The answer is yes, 6. Then for the rectangle blocks, yes, the total number of squares along the breadth, that is given as the 2. Then the number of squares along the length, it is not given, we have to find. Total number of squares in rectangle, that is given as 10. That means you have to divide 10 by 2. So that is 10 divided by 2. The answer is a 5. Otherwise from here the figure you can find number of squares present in the length is 5. You can write it as 5. Next one is the rectangular box T. It contains the number of squares on the breadth is a 2 and the number of squares along the length, that is given as x. They ask you to find the number of squares in rectangles. That means you have to multiply length into breadth. So that is 2 into x, that is 2x. Next one is question number 7. Find the variables from the clues given below and solve the crossword puzzles. So what is the problem given here? One table is given. We have to fill the tables using the clues which are given in the tables. So cross, you have to cross means you have to write in this direction, and down means you have to write up to down. So what is the first, we will write the cross values. So x plus 40 gives 100. So that means x plus 40 equal to 100. So here plus 40 in LHS, whenever it come to the RHS, it will become minus 40. So x equal to 100 minus 40, that is 60. So you have to fill here 6, 0. First box you have to write it as 6 and the second box is 0. So what is the second cross value? 7 reduces from t gives 31. So reduces means you have to subtract from t. So that is t minus 7 equal to 31. So minus 7 in LHS, when it is come to the RHS, it is plus 7. So t equal to 31 plus 7, that is 38. So here you have to fill the t value as 38. Then z is 5 added 5 times. So the z value is 5. That should be added how many times? 5 times. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So the value is at 25. So the z value is at 25. Then V is the whole number 0 plus number of days in a year. So V value is a whole number started from 0. So that is 0 plus number of days in the years, that is V equal to 0 plus 365. So anything added with a 0, you will get the same number, that is 365. So the V value is on 365. K is 24 added to 25. So that is K equal to 24 plus 25. So that is 24 plus 25 is at 49. So the K value is here 49. So next one is U is 2 added to 2 times 11 gives the number of hours in a day. So what is the problem given here? U is 2 added to 2 times 11. So that is 2 plus 2 into 11. So 2 into 11 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. So for that they are given, it gives the number of hours in a day. So per day how many hours are there? That is 24 hours are there. So the answer for U is 24. So here it is written 24. Then A is 20 more to 40. So more means you have to add. So A equal to 20 plus 40, which is equal to 60. So you have to write the A value as 60. Then S minus 1 gives 246 is the number of letters in Tamil language. S minus 1. So S minus 1 equal to 246. Minus 1 in LHS, when it go to the RHS, it will become plus 1. So 246 plus 1, its value is 247. So next we will write the down values. X is 1005 multiplied by 6. So that is X equal to 1005 into 6, that is 6030. So for it we have to write from up to down. So 6030 can be written here. Then T divided 7 equal to 5. In LHS it is in division. When it come to the RHS it is in multiplication. So T equal to 7 into into 5, that is 35. So here, so you have to write here 35. Then P is the predecessor for first 3-digit numbers. So what is the first 3-digit number? First 3-digit number is 101. So predecessor means before number. So you have to subtract 1. So 100 minus 1 equal to 99. So the P value is 99. Then Z is the number of weeks in a digit, in a year, digits reversed. So Z is the number of weeks in a year. So the number of weeks in a year is 52. So you have to write the value as a digit reversed. So you have to write it as, instead of 52, you have to write it as 25. So the Z value here is 25. K is 11 times 4. 11 times means you have to multiply. So 11 into 4, that is 44. So here the 44 is written. Then U is the product of 23 and 9. So product means you have to multiply. So 23 into 9. So the 23 into 9 value is 207. So that is 207. Then A is 4 added to the product of 12 and 5. So that is A equal to 4 plus 12 into 5. So 12 into 5 is 60. 60 plus 4 is 64. So you have to write here is 64. M is the successor of 9. Successor means after. So 9 after 10. So the M value can be written as 1, 0, 10.